Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. AI-based ambient scribes may reduce physician documentation time. Burnout. The study examined the impact of AI-based ambient scribes on reducing documentation time and improving physician well-being. Outpatient physicians were randomly assigned to use one of two AI scribe applications, Microsoft Dragon Ambient Experience, DAX, Copilot or Nabla, or a usual care control group. Nabla users experienced a 9.5% decrease in time in note compared to the control group, while DAX users showed no significant change. Both scribe groups showed improvements in measures of burnout, work environment, work pace, electronic health record stress, cognitive load, and work exhaustion compared to the control group. The study authors noted that the technology requires active physician oversight and ongoing monitoring to maintain patient safety. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak